In this video, we'll see what is public and private members of a class. Okay. So, the public variables that are defined in a class and can be accessed from anywhere in the program, those are called as public variables of a class. And private variables are that are defined in the class and can be accessed only within the class. Those are called as private members or private variables of a class. Okay. Just to differentiate between the public and private members, we have to just put 2 times underscore as a prefix for variable name, which mentions that if it is 2 times underscore before the variable name, that means it is a private variable, and generally without any underscore it is called as public variable of a class. Okay. Public and private members can be used in a class, and that provides the data security to the members or attributes to the classes. Okay, that is the main aspect of object oriented programming that can be achieved through this accessibility type. So accessibility types are public and private variables. Okay, so how to use it? So in this class, class student is defined, and in that class student one init method is defined. So in this init method, 2 variables are defined: self.roll equal to 10 and self.to_name equal to ABC. Okay, so in this case we can say the role is directly written, so it is a public variable of a class, and it is written with a 2 times underscore name, so it is prefixed to that name, so it is called as it is a private member of a class. Okay, so this is nothing but the declaration of private and public members. Okay, now how to use it in class and how to access those values. Okay, so if we'll say the same code, class student, okay, then we have defined one init method. Okay, init method self argument, and in that we have written self dot roll equal to 0, and then self dot 2 times underscore name equal to some values assigned. Let's suppose we'll assign one value ABC. Okay, so this is categorized as a public member and this is categorized as the private member. Okay. Now to access the public members, we can access directly through the object name. Okay, and accessing public members inside and outside the class, and both the way it is possible. Okay, so how to do that? First, create object of a class. We'll say S1 equal to student. Okay, and after creating object of a class, simply say print S1 dot roll. Okay, so this will display the value of roll, which is nothing but 0. Okay, the next we want to display the value of name. So if I am writing print object name dot name, okay, and if I'll execute the code, it will generate the error as student object has no attribute underscore name, because the attribute which we have written as name, that is nothing but a private member of a class, and we cannot access private members outside the class. Okay, so we have to use those members inside the class. Okay, so how to use those members inside the class? Okay, so to access the private members, we can mention one function as display self. Okay, and here we'll write simply print self dot name. Okay, we'll put this statement also in display function. Okay, for public member, it doesn't matter we are accessing it in within the class or from outside the class. Okay, because it is accessible anywhere. But for private members, it is mandatory to access these private members only within the class. Okay, so after writing this display definition, simply call the display function. So after writing the definition, simply write s1 dot display, okay, and then re-execute the code, then it will display both the values. Okay, so this removes the error because we have written this statement within the class, and as we have discussed that private members can be accessible within the class. Okay, so the basic concept which we have studied in this lecture is the class can have public or private variables. Public members can be declared as it is with the name directly, but for the private members we have to write 2 times underscore as a prefix for the variable name to categorize it is a private member of a class. Okay, second rule, the public variables can be accessible within the class or from outside the class also. Okay, but for private members it should be accessible only within the class. Okay, it cannot access or we cannot access the value of private variable from outside the class. Okay, so it is accessible only within the class. So I hope you understood the basic difference between the public variable and the private variable of a class and how to access it. Okay.